Matthew, look at the tag.
Look at the tag. See if it's a K or an M.
K.
So that's Matthew.
All right, so there you go. Now you know what to do.
Kyle. This is mine too.
Yay, Christmas! Can you put that light on?
Please be a spy camera.
A spy camera.
Ooh. Card game.
A card game.
A handheld
Nice.
digital USB Microsoft.
Microscope.
This
Oh, a
one's
microscope?
Mine. What's the snowflake?
It's for Mario.
Awesome. You know what? Try to give the paper to Dad. What is it?
I got mine. What is it? Pack pick.
What is it? What kind of game is it?
Pack pick.
But for what?
Why do I have
The
two?
DS.
Why do I have two DS games?
Oh, wow. I don't know.
Oh my God! This.
What? Open it up.
Oh, it's a DS game, alright. Kirby Mass Attack.
Cool.
10 Kirby's. Don't tell me it's the 10 Kirby. Guess what it is?
Can you believe
We got
it?
the 10 Kirby! Pokemon! What is it? Pokemon. Toy. Oh, I thought that was the what was it called again? Oh, I thought it was. And look, it's a launcher.